Good evening, friends. Today it is 29/8/2022 and the time is 7:45. So we had a gap down. Everybody was talking about based on Powell and all that. But according to me, it is 24th was the date and 19th was the date was for Dow Jones, which actually created the problem. And Nifty 24th, which was the Uranus effect, which has created the problem. I don't know how many people believe this or not, but that's how it works. Okay, fine. The gap down happened. Are we able to predict the bottom? Is the question. Okay, whether we predicted the bottom of where Nifty opened in the morning. Yes, we did it very clearly, and it was missed by roughly around 3 points in Nifty and 10 points in Bank Nifty. That's all, not more than that. And we clearly gave this number yesterday in our weekly forecast video also. And we mentioned this in the PPT. Exactly market open there only. Exactly market open there only. And from there, we bought Bank Nifty 38,000 call where it opened there, and we sold at 38,344. And again saying we are not holding any index position, and whatever position we hold, we held in stocks. Most of the stocks, now we are holding 5 stocks. Okay, so Syngene did very well today. Jubilee Food was the rocker, little rocker, and BHCL, no need to ask about it. And SAIL and Adani Port is not done well. Adani Port closed where we bought 837. SAIL we booked the last day. So other 4 portion we are still holding, and all 3 stocks did very well even in this fall. And it closed 2% higher when compared to yesterday's close. So we are okay with the positions on even the stocks also. And again, I'm saying BHEL for month of September. Watch out. Keep the stop loss of 5400 on the show. So now let's go and see what we discussed, the numbers in the PPT yesterday and what we discussed in today's WhatsApp. Okay, so now let's go and see the WhatsApp. Sorry, first PPT. So we clearly mentioned this is the magical number. This is the magical number, 17,161. And I've clearly mentioned in my PPT on the first page itself, the deep support is 17,161. Okay. And the second thing, this was the last target for the week. This was the last target for the week on the sell side. And if you go to Bank Nifty, the last target was 37,937. 37,937. It is all because of why I am giving this number, not because of resistance and support level. This is because of astrological day in which it made the bottom or the top. Okay, and apart from that, there is one more number which is 37,929. So these two numbers will work like a magic because it was a combination date, and I've already given you. I've mentioned this in my last PPT also. I don't know whether, see this. So this number, and I'm reiterating here from 1st of August, 37,929. It is a very, very crucial number. It will not give up that easily. And when this date combination made, on 10th January. See how market respects these numbers. Literally, you need to say pranam to market for all this. Anyway, so that is what I'm quoting here, and the market is respecting these numbers, 37,937. Even last time also we are telling this number, and again I'm saying this number. Okay, so that's how it worked, and let's go and see what we discussed in our WhatsApp group. Our 907 number did the magic today. WhatsApp. Okay, so this is our 907 number. Given at 909, buy above 17,196, sell below 17,163, and the low was 17,165. And from there, it went and achieved till this target. All the 5 targets were stacked, more or less missed by, I think, little point, but it has not given an entry. But we entered based on something else. And we booked the profit in Nifty as well as in Bank Nifty, because we entered Bank Nifty first in the morning. Clearly mentioned these 2 numbers again for the subscribers, and we bought Bank Nifty at 921, and we sold at 38,344. And it took exact support on the fortune signals. We bought Syngene again at 936. Did the wonders today. So timing, we gave two timings today. One timing literally rocked. Second timing also rocked, but in the closing, it gave up. So these are the timings: 11:20 to 11:25 is the timing. So I will show all this in my uh, PPT. Okay, so now, sorry, in the graph. So now let's go to. Okay, I'll come to that later. So this is our 907 number. Buy above 17,196, sell below 17,163. So market opened exactly here, not went and touched. Our number is 17,161, which was last weekly target. And today's low was 17,168. And from there it went up. This is our first timing for the day, literally rocked. And second timing for the day, literally rocked, but in the closing it gave up. And exactly it came and closed there only. The only problem now is still it is not close to below 17,351, which is our the first support today. We need to be a little cautious. So we have not taken any long today, and the Nifty has exactly went and touched the 15 minutes blue 100 and fortune signals and closed to below. So we didn't take any position on Bank Nifty or Nifty. We are holding our stock position, which we carried yesterday on Friday, and we exited sale only. We exited sale only. So these were the stocks which we are holding on Friday. Syngene, Jubilee Food, BHEL sale. We booked the loss today, 1 rupee loss, and Adani Port more or less is closed there because the number was 837, and Nelco it is 10% upper fees. Okay, so and apart from that, today morning, which we discussed in the morning, that Reliance is having a cyclic day today. So mark the high and low of Reliance. Mark the high and low of Reliance. So this is what we mentioned in the morning. This we observed. We got this on the webinar. We discussed this on the webinar, and we got this data on the webinar day on Sunday. So mark the high and low of Reliance of today. See the miracle after that, and above 2630, it is highly bullish because it is a decider number for the month, and below 2602 it is weak, close little below that only. Okay, so we will try to enter portion. We entered today portion, and we exited roughly around 2-3 rupees profit only. But after we bought at 2602, it went to 2660, roughly around 60. But I think 4050, something like that. But again it came down, so we exited with 3-4 rupees profit only. Okay, so mark the high and low of Reliance. And apart from that, if you go to Bank Nifty, so Bank Nifty at a cyclic day today. Bank Nifty at a cyclic day today. So when I connected this high and this high, this is called cause and effect. This is called cause and effect. So when I connected this eye and connected this eye, we got this date, which was the bang on bottom. And again, we got the date here. So mark the high and low of Bank Nifty today and just see the magic. But you can keep the low here was 37,944. You can keep 37,929 as our stop loss, or keep another 10 points as a cushion. Okay, then see the magic. So when is the next date? The next date is 5th December. So we will discuss this on 5th December. So this was a cyclic date. So market not for Nifty, only for Bank Nifty. Okay. So this was our number 37,937, which was the last target for the day, and the low was 37,944. See how beautiful it works. Really amazed to see all that. So this was it is exactly went and tested. So I don't want to again go back and show the chart where blah blah blah. Simply we'll do this. So this is Nifty. Open down, exactly went and resisted at 15 minutes. So we are not supposed to take any long. So we didn't took any long, just a minute. Okay, and Bank Nifty, it is not even went and touched even the 5 minutes, because the morning, the fall was so heavy, and that's why we clearly mentioned in the morning that the fall was, more. So try to buy. So that is what we predicted in the morning. I don't know where I kept it. That's down right. Yeah, that is what we mentioned, that the fall was very steep, so it is better to buy. So that's why we bought Bank Nifty. So let's see how the market works, and let's go to PPT and discuss the numbers. Then I want to talk some stocks for tomorrow. Let's do that. Okay, so now let's go to PPT. Let's go to the PPT. Okay, so now, okay, I've already updated the chart once again. Yeah, so now I've already marked today's high and low of these three stocks. Watch out for NMDC. Watch out for NMDC. And tomorrow, watch out for Canara Bank, which is the yearly date, and Colpol, which is the blue color date, which is very, very powerful. And today it has done extremely well, and it is in the breakout zone. So watch out for it. Tomorrow it's a blue color date, which is very, very powerful. Very, very powerful. And we have IndusInd Bank, we have RBL, and we have PNB. So three banks, four banks are coming tomorrow, and Bank Nifty had a TCD date today. So watch out for these four stocks, and we are very, very more focusing on Can Bank than anything else. Okay, and watch out for Colpol. Watch out for Colpol. I'll try to touch upon these stocks later. Okay, so now again all the five numbers are in bearish. Okay, so we should not take the position home. Again, five numbers are in bearish. So we should not take the position home. And anyway, it has not given an entry to sell at this point. It was a gap down open, but it took the support here. It took the support here. Break below this number, the next support level is this. Break below this level, 17,161. The next mega support is here. Okay, and Bank Nifty, till it holds this level, nothing to worry. And it has broken all these numbers, So now I've given where the PR result zone will come in the downside in the daily forecast. So watch out for this and watch out for this. And on the higher side, this number holds the key, which is the resistance. So PR result zone on the higher side also I have given. Okay, so watch out for that for tomorrow. So this is tomorrow's number. This is tomorrow's number. This is Nifty spot. This is Nifty future and Bank Nifty future. Okay, so now let's go to yeah. I've already marked Can Bank, Colpol, Torrent Power, IndusInd Bank. Torrent Power is having the second combination date tomorrow. So watch out for it. Okay, watch out for it. But according to me, it is looking bearish. Let's watch it. And Colpol in the breakout mode. Colpol in the breakout mode. Even Polycarp has done very well today. Polycarp done very well today. Okay, so let's go for tomorrow. So as I already mentioned, mark the Reliance cyclic day today's high and low. About today's high, simply buy with the stop loss of today's low. But anyway, the stop loss is a little bigger, so you need to manage based on your system. Okay, and 29th August is the cyclic date for Bank Nifty, which I already mentioned. So watch out. And the only problem is 24th was the mega date, and it has not given us an entry, but the target was there. 250 points down from the low of 24th in Nifty and 750 points in Bank Nifty. So we don't need this now. But again, I'm saying this high and low is valid till Jan 22nd, 2023. So now Nifty took the exact support from 761 and Bank Nifty 37937 till it holds these two number. Nothing to worry in both these counters, both these indices. Okay, so I have not updated my weekly numbers because weekly numbers was it was too huge number. So kindly ignore it. On Thursday the monthly number starts, we will use monthly number. As of now, till it is below this number, it is bearish only. Very simple. Till it is below the expiry bearish number, it is bearish only. And I have already marked Nifty, Bank Nifty, today's date high and low. Today's date high and low. And Nifty is having the important date on 6th September. So let's watch that on 6th September. Obviously, you know, 21st and 22nd is the combination date in September. Okay, so that we will talk about later when we near to the date. So now let's go and talk about the stocks which we are going to focus for tomorrow. First, let's go to Can Bank. Okay, so Can Bank, it's in buy and it has given a fake sell. has given a fake sell today, and one number magic and the decider number magic are one and the same. It means this is the mega support for the month. When these two number matches, it is the mega support for the month. So exactly it opened there only. It closed at 235. So watch out for these two numbers. And still it is in buy only because this is a fake sell. This is a fake sell. It is not a genuine sell. It is not a genuine sell. So watch out for Canbank and call. Okay, so the one number magic and the decider number are was very low, which is 1586 and 1582, and today it is here, and this is the monthly resistance number 1645 to 1625. If you go to daily, then you will know this. Okay, so this is where it got restricted today. So break above this, it's already in breakout mode, no doubt about it. If it breaks above, it is literally good. Maybe we'll try to do some kind of analysis in the night to get something better on the hourly candle. I'll try to do that. Okay, so now very simple, no need to do a lot of things. See how it works. Okay, so it gave a buy, it became genuine, came down, went up, came down, and this was the magical candle. Once it breaks this red color, if any candle forms here, if the low is held of this candle, it will do miracle. And this applicable even in 1 minute also, even in 1 minute also. Okay, and today many stocks did that, and we picked up Syngene based on that only. Okay, so this is called the miracle candle. Okay, so now let's watch how it is going to plan out, and it is trading well above the one number magic and the decider number magic. Okay, now let's go to Torrent Power. Torrent Power already had a cyclic date here. This was the combination date, and it is not able to move above the combination date high, and it closed below the combination date low. And the one number magic is 584, and the decider number is 560. Till it doesn't go below 560, it is bullish only, but it has to break 584. It has to break 584 and close. And if you go to 15 minutes, it is in sell. So we will not take position unless and until if 15 minutes gives a buy and it goes above 584. But we will definitely try to buy if it breaks 584, because this month this guy had a combination date, and only one counter which had a combination date this month is only Torrent Power. Okay, so now let's go to IndusInd Bank. Okay, IndusInd Bank is already in sell mode. So on 15 minutes, we will not buy. So it has to break 1077 to buy. Otherwise, we will not buy. We will try to sell here in case if it goes and touches this blue and red color which is within 1077 to 1067. This is the one number magic and the decider number magic for IndusInd Bank. Okay, and let's go to PNB. Last one. Okay, so PNB, the one number magic and the decider number magic is 33. It is quoting at 35. It's already moved up very well, and still it is in green. So based on tomorrow's high and low, we will definitely buy this counter. We will definitely buy this counter. Sorry, my Betty started giving some kind of a noise. I'm really sorry. So that's all for that for today. So again saying I'm not a CB registered investment advisor, so kindly do your homework or consult your financial advisors before taking any financial decision. Let's go and see where this guy is sitting now. The Dow Jones and blah blah blah. 1 second, we'll go to that screen. Okay, so see how beautifully this is in 1 minute. I'm actually trading. I'm taking the position also. So it went up, came down, touched the blue, went up, came down, touched the blue. Again, this was the magical candle. This was the magical candle. Whenever it breaks this red color low, if this low is held, it will fly. But the only problem now is this is below this pink color. So that's the only itch. And now it is below these three lines, and this also, including this and Brahma Vishnu, all above it, so it will face definitely resistance. Now let's go see and Dow Jones in daily. See in 1 minute how exactly it worked. Came down, and what is this number? 32016. This is a number which you mentioned yesterday. You can go back and check in my video what is the number we mentioned yesterday. It is 32016231724. See how beautifully market respects this number. Down, touched, went up, down, touched, exactly went and touched the blue. This is in 1 minute I'm showing, okay? And again came down, touched the blue, not able to move up, and now it is coming down. This is the miracle number. Why this is a miracle number? Simply go here. You will know why this is a miracle number. That's a support number on daily for Dow Jones. This is a number which we discussed in yesterday itself. So kindly watch. Let's see how the market is going to plan out from here. And S&P, I think I've already mentioned all these dates yesterday. So kindly go back and check it. And Nasdaq is not come to that level. ETH and USD, hang on took the support moving, starts moving from there. And today it is up by roughly around 6.5%. And this is a number which we mentioned yesterday. Kindly go back and see my weekly forecast video. And I'm not concentrating on this guy. I'm concentrating on ETH because ETH has already given buy on a daily basis, but BTC is not given buy on a daily basis. So we are concentrating on ETH, not on BTC. And exactly all numbers are working on the dot. No need to do a lot of analysis to find this important resistance. Fortune signals will do the needful in just a click. That's all. Thanks a lot for seeing this video. Again, saying I'm not a serious investment advisor, so kindly do your homework or consult your financial advisor before taking any financial decision. See you soon tomorrow at 9:07, and tomorrow full day I'm not available. I'll give the 9:07 number, and let's see on Wednesday. Thanks a lot. See you soon.